Welcome to Enlightened Elevation. I'm Felicia Myers, and today we're creating space for emotional truth. The kind of truth that gets buried under deadlines, gaslighting, and years of being told you're too much. This meditation is for anyone who's left a toxic work environment, but still hears their voice in your head, still doubts your own brilliance, still feels like you're the problem. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale softly out the mouth. Let's begin. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Allow your body to settle. Feel your seat supported by the earth. Feel the weight of your arms, the softness of your shoulders, the space between your eyebrows. There is nothing to fix here, nothing to prove. You get to simply be. Now gently scan your body from crown to root. Notice any areas that feel tense or guarded. And without forcing, just breathe into those spaces. Say silently, "It's safe for me to feel now." Now I want you to imagine yourself in the environment where you felt unseen at first. Maybe it's a meeting, a hallway conversation, an annual review. Let it arise without judgment. Notice who's there, what's being said, and most importantly, how your body reacts. Now, visualize a golden light surrounding you in that scene. It forms a soft barrier between their projection and your truth. Begin to pull your energy back from their words, their expectations, their judgments. Reclaim it gently. Now silently repeat after me. I release the need to prove my worth. I remember who I am beneath their opinions. Their story about me is not my truth. And let your body exhale fully. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel the warmth of your own presence. Say softly, I am safe to trust myself again. I am allowed to take up space. I am not too much. I was in the wrong room. Let that land. Feel your inner voice rise again, beneath the noise of expectation and fear. It is clear. It is calm. It is yours. Begin to return to your breath. Feel the earth beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Come back to the present moment. Clearer, lighter, more you. You are not the problem. You are the power that someone tried to dim, but your light is rising again. If this meditation supported your healing, I invite you to explore my full system and the Healing Blueprint, your step-by-step guide to emotional freedom from burnout, people-pleasing, and toxic leadership. you can find the link in the description. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and remember, your energy is sacred.